874, also known as BFJ174. Source code is here. Let's fucking go. Okay, so in const macros by system within the rule bomb constants, we have all laser settings. So right here, we have the laser anyway tick settings for hazard, lay a bomb, sensor, and warning times. And they're all going to be set to the spark times, SPK for spark times. So it's going to have the same delay as the spark pins. Okay, we're going to use this as a shorthand for these because this is very fucking long. You're going to see these tick times in all 4 laser boxes to come. So right here, laser X1 is a laser that is going to the right, and it has the laser tick times. And the direction of the blast is going to be 320 tiles to the right because it's an infinite laser and 320 is infinite. Okay, for the down laser, it's laser Y1. Y1 is going downwards, and we can see in the downwards direction, it's going infinitely. All other directions zeroed out. Okay, our laser that is going, X0 would be going what? To the left? Yeah, left laser. Same times, all these times are the same, but now it's going infinitely in the left direction, 0 in all the other directions. Okay, laser going upwards. Okay, all of the times are the same, all the delay times are the same, but the direction is going 320 in the Y0 direction, which is upwards. Okay, so next section, data by system. In the rule bomb lookup tables here, V16 bomb value to X0, which is going to be to the left. We have the laser X1, laser Y1, laser X0, and laser Y0 directions to the left, okay? So now we have the V16 to X1 lookup table. How far is a bomb blasting to the right? And we have all 4 of our lasers here in the X1 direction. Then we have the V16 to Y0. How far upward are we exploding? Here's all our lasers once again in the Y0 direction upwards. And then V16 to Y1. How far downward are we exploding? Here's all of our lasers. Direction Y1, which is downwards, which matches this. Okay, and that should be it. Here's what we did previously. And we're out of fucking time. Like, subscribe, and send money in the mail. My name is Con.